Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody out there doing today? I hope everybody's having a great and wonderful day today. Okay, I'm here, guys, on behalf of Press 1 Cash and SMS Phone Leads, okay? If it's your first time here, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and like the video and go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload new videos, all right? I am a full-time affiliate marketer, and what I do is I show you different home-based business opportunities in which you can make money from home, okay? Digital products is my main focus, okay? I don't have any tangible products to refer you to. I like the products that's online that you can access from anywhere and using any smart device, okay? So today we're going to talk about these two softwares, text messaging softwares, and I'm doing this because I get a lot of questions about, and a lot of people when they send me emails, they say, hey, well, which one should I do, or what's the difference between the two? And I've spoken on it before, but thought I'd come back this year. I'm not sure if I've done one this year, I don't think. So I want to come back and kind of give you guys some of the differences, and you know, they're similar in some scenarios. They have the same functionality and same features, and then they are different. So they're two different platforms, okay? So you just decide. So, and I have them both, by the way. I'm not just doing a review. I actually have them both. You're on my page right now of Press 1. Okay, as you can see right here, here's my number, here's my name up here, and I also have SMS phone leads as well. I have this one as well, and my link is up here at the top. You can't see it, but I'm in both programs. If you look right here, matter of fact, here's my testimony back in September of 2018. Okay, so I do have this product. So let's get into it. I made some notes. I'm going to make this short, but just want to give you some bullet points of them both, and you decide. They're both great. You can use them both to promote any product or service, okay? So let me switch over to some of my notes over here real quickly. Okay, SMS phone leads, guys. Okay, it's a software, as I explained earlier, and this one is only $20, okay? $20. Now, as you can see right here, it says there's an optional $10 training that you can get. It's optional, okay? You don't have to get that. But to get SMS phone leads standalone by itself is basically $20, okay? What do you get? Right here, as it states, and you can go to the website and see this as well. You get a virtual phone number, you get 100 credits, and what it includes is auto texting reply. When someone dials your phone number, let's say you share that phone number on an ad or wherever you promote it, when someone calls your number, it's going to automatically text them back whatever website you set up in your back office for it to go to, okay? Automatically. Okay? With this, you get a back office, you get a website. In your back office, you can see responses. If someone replies, you can see their response in your back office. You get ad copy with this. You can also set up what they call keyword texting in your back office. And there's videos back there, guys, to set this stuff up. You can download your leads, okay? So from your responses, you can download those leads. They're going to come in like a CSV file or a spreadsheet. You can download them and you have access to them. They're your leads. Now, you can only receive your commissions because you get paid a commission with this via Stripe, okay? That's the only way you can get paid with this. You can't set up any other way, no PayPal, no Cash App, nothing. The company has set it up where it's strictly Stripe. If you promote this and you want to refer someone to get SMS phone leads, you can only get paid via Stripe, which is linked to a bank account. Okay, no other option. Now with Stripe, with SMS phone leads, you have to set up your own recording. Okay, you have to set your own recording up or purchase a professional from Fiverr to do your voiceover or whatever professional message you want to leave. You have to do that and then upload it into your back office. And they show you in the back office a place how you can do that, okay? But you have to set that up. That's one of the differences versus Press 1. Now, with SMS phone leads, an additional feature is called SMS Phone Blaster. Okay, that's optional. Okay, you don't have to have that. You can just strictly have the $20 system, promote the phone number, and it will text people your website. Okay, you have to have the voice message hooked up to do that. You download that in there. Okay, but if you want to step it up a little further, you can text 200 people a day. Okay, the leads are included. You can do this simply from your back office. You can log in from any smart device. You don't have to have a computer to do this, to even use this particular system. Okay, you can use any smart device. So for $33 a month, this allows you to send 200 messages per day to 200 leads. Okay, that the leads are included. Now, in order to do that, you need 200 credits. This is all on the website. You need 200 credits. Now, mind you, the system comes with 100 right up here. Okay, you get 100 with it. But if you decide to add the blaster, you need 100 more credits. Okay? All right? Now, if you refer someone, okay, it's $33 a month, the company is going to pay you a residual on the back end, half of that. Okay? So you can also earn residual with SMS phone leads with the blaster, because otherwise it's just $20 one time. Okay? So again, that's an option, guys. Now, here's the prices for the packages. Okay? For your leads. $12 for 800 credits, $36 for 3,000, $60 for 6,000. So here's the days, okay, that they will last you. So if you bought 800 credits, that's 4 days of texting. 3,000 credits is 15 days. 6,000 is 30 days. Okay, so it will cost you 20 plus 33 plus whatever package you decide down here to pick to implement the SMS phone leads with that. Okay, otherwise you can just get standalone virtual phone number. Okay, now let's switch over to Press One, another software. Okay, so you actually can earn $20. Let's go back up real quick. You can earn $20, $10. It's an option that can happen if people purchase these other features, the $33. So you can actually earn 20, 33, and where's the other one? Plus the 10 if someone gets that training, okay, from this. And it's instant pay, automatically. All right. So Press One is a software as well. Now with Press One, you share a number. You get a number as well. Okay. Let's go down here. You get a back office. You get 100 credits. In the back office, there's training. There's ad copy. Just like with SMS phone leads, you get some ad copy. You get training. You get resources. You can also download your phone numbers as well for all your leads. Everybody, when they dial your number, this one's a little bit different. When people dial this number, okay, when they dial that number, you're going to get these numbers in the back office. So you can see those numbers and you can download them as well. And when people register, you know how sometimes people will register but they won't pay to join yet? You'll have their name, phone number, and email with this one. Okay? So similar, features. Okay. All right. Now the credits with this one is very reasonable. For 1,000 credits, it's only $10. For 1,500 credits, it's 15. And you can see those right here. It's very reasonable, but 1,000 will last you a long time. That means 1,000. Someone can dial that number 1,000 times. You can get 1,000 prospects. Okay, for $10. Okay, so very reasonable. Now, with this one, it's $297 one time. Okay, you're gonna make $200 per sale. Okay, with this one, it's a one-up. So the first sale you will keep. Someone joins you, that first sale is yours. Okay, I'm sorry. The first one you pass up your first one. Okay, it's $200 per sale. It's a one-up. The first sale you pass up. Okay, it's $200 plus 97 admin. It's $297 one time. Okay, but this is a business in a box, guys. You literally can just, if you don't have a business that you're promoting, $200, you can make that multiple times a day. Okay, so that's the difference there. The commissions are bigger with this. And it has 3 videos on the page instead of 1 video. Okay, but this is a little bit different. So the commissions, they do have the same functionality as far as just sharing a number. This one, they have to press 1. They call. The message is automatically set up for you. You don't have to set up anything. The only thing you have to set up with Press 1 is how you want to get your money. You go in the back office. We have Stripe instructions if you want to use Stripe. If not, you just type in the little box how you want to receive your payment. Okay, so I had a glitch right there in the internet. But yes, with the Press 1 Cash, guys, you can set up the way you want to receive your commissions any way you want it, whether it's Cash App, Chime, Google Pay, Stripe, whatever you would like. Okay, so you just go in the back office, log in, and type that information in there. Okay, so again, this is more of a total business in the box because of the functionality that it has in the compensation plan, the 1-up. Okay, so you can make a really full-time income with this service, and there's no way you can text out. That's the difference. This is not outgoing, it's only incoming, so people can only call you. You can't actually use this platform. You cannot use Press 1 Cash and send text messages out. Okay, whereas SMS phones, if you upgrade, okay, to the blaster, that allows you to send 200 messages out. So 2 different systems, guys, but they're both great. So it just depends on what your needs are and what you want to do. Okay, so one's $20 plus additional features. The other one is $200. Okay, but you get different features and functionalities with them. So if you want to just take SMS Press 1 Cash and just make it a full-time, you can do that because you can make commissions instantly. They both pay instant, okay? Neither one of them have a capture pages or any of that. So I'm using the Conversion Pros. If you're interested in that, here's the link, givemeleads.info. You've seen some of my capture pages with that. So this way you can have an autoresponder with the emails that'll go out on your behalf to follow up with your prospects. I have an autoresponder email campaign that I can share with you. I can share my capture pages with you. It's $50 a month, guys, and they have changed things with the Conversion Pros. They give you a 14-day free trial now. It used to be 7 days. They've changed it, so you have 2 weeks to test it out and really test it. 14 days, no credit card is required. Okay, and they will pay you, for everybody you refer to the Conversion Pros, they pay you $25 a referral, and they pay every Friday. Okay, they have an awesome Facebook group. The owner is very active in the group. He's always giving you nuggets and teachings and sharing ways you can be successful in your primary business by using the Conversion Pros. Okay, so that's kind of it in a nutshell, guys. Press 1 Cash or SMS Phone Leads. They are both great softwares. Just depends on what you want to do, how you want to do it. If you want to make bigger commissions, then you could go with Press 1 Cash. But look at the 2 functionalities. I'm going to leave the links below. Okay, so you can check them both out. Check out the website. There's an FAQ section here as well. On SMS Phone Leads. Okay, then you got Press 1 Cash here. Go to both websites and check them out. Okay, and give me a call after you check them out if you have any questions. I'll be happy to assist you with that. But both are great. Okay, so with that being said, guys, I am going to see you on the inside. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified when we upload new videos. And go ahead and like the video. Okay, and I'll see you guys on the next one. You guys have a blessed day.